And it always seems that I'm working on at least 2 projects at the same time, sometimes even 3 and 4. Yesterday I had a friend drop in this model of a 1950s 50-foot fishing boat. Aft cabin. It was originally built with jarrah planks, carry frames, and it had a probably an Oregon deck. I'm going to rebuild this into an absolutely stunning model, so I hope you'll follow my progress on this little baby. Okay, so the first thing I had to do with this model is to figure out the amount of frames that are going in so that I can put the stanchions in. So I'm putting 24 frames per side, and I've measured where the stanchions will go. I've cut out 48 stanchions, and they are going to be, I'll start off by gluing them, and then I'm going to drill and tree nail them into place. I may even use copper nails, I've got plenty. So yeah, they'll go all the way around. I've already marked out where they're going, so I'll show you what I'm going to do with that now. These are my 48 stanchions. So now what I'm going to do is get them onto the belt sander and tidy them up, clean them up so there isn't any nasty little bits on the ends. So I'll do that. These little stanchions are going to be set down 25 millimeters from the deck height. Marked it on the inside. I'll just mark it on the outside. So I've got a gauge to show me how deep it's going to go in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little nasty bits off with the belt sander, and I'm also going to mark on the sander just with pencil, just a little indicator of the stanchion above the deck level, because I'm going to just chamfer off the 2 edges as well, which you'd find on an old fishing boat. You don't want sharp corners, you don't want to be hitting your head on something sharp, so they would always have just chamfered off the 2 edges on the inside with the bulwark like that, so that you don't have any sharp edges on a deck. So I'll just tidy this up and put the chamfer on.